Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Je-hoon and Shin Hye-sun fortune harmony analysis. Je-hoon, who has a very good flow of energy, Shin Hye-sun with strong charisma. What about their fortune harmony? Let's analyze it together. Je-hoon is a rich land in his fortune. Rich land is realistic and self-management is good. That's a strong word for popularity. There are two. And there are two conflicts. The upper conflict is a slightly positive conflict, which breaks the fixed idea of his talent and transforms it more creatively. The lower collision is a slightly shocking collision, which means that overseas activities, night and day change, and night activities increase. It also adds psychological instability. Collisions also give psychological instability, but there is also a positive effect that the fortune itself becomes lively. Shin Hye-sun is a rain in her fortune. Rain is very emotional and delicate. Shin Hye-sun's three letters at the bottom of her fortune make a good start. It's a disposition to make a new start by raising herself up without falling apart under any circumstances. Both of them are awesome. Je-hoon has a wide range of energy flows in his fortune. In the picture, the lines look complicated because they are intertwined. However, energy is constantly flowing into art, wealth, honor, input energy, and letters than meet himself. This structure is the fortune of living a peaceful life without difficulty. However, there are two conflicts that give a sense of life to fortune. On the top, honor is a word that makes him has a very good appearance, and Je-hoon's appearance has become neat and gentle. Je-hoon is a good structure. Well, all the energy needed in fortune exists, and his weakness is that he is a little weak, but the flow of energy is very good, so he is supplementing it. Shin Hye-sun's energy is very strong. There is a strong sense of competition and never lose. Starting with the letter meaning wealth, energy is flowing into honor, input energy, and the letter meaning herself. If the letters meaning wealth and honor exist together, it means leadership. Shin Hye-sun's letter for honor is a character with strong charisma. It's cool. You two have the input energy in the most powerful positions, and they always treat their life with humility. In other words, the direction of life is the same. Je-hoon wants to show his talents well based on learning, and Shin Hye-sun wants to show herself more based on learning. The benefits are slightly different, but they have something in common. Most of all, if you have a lot of luck like Je-hoon, you have the temperament to accept anyone. I'd like to give them 89% of their fortune score. Please improve and be happy. Thank you. To love deeply in one direction makes us more loving in all others. Anne-Sophie Swetchin. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.